Hey guys, welcome to Fun and Facts with Adil and Nishal.
In today's video, we will be showing you guys how to make vanilla cake at home. So let's get started. For this vanilla cake, the ingredients are 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 4 eggs at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 3/4 cups of flour, 2 3/4 tablespoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of milk at room temperature.
So before we start making the cake, we have to keep our pan ready by applying oil or butter and dusting it with flour. Now we have to keep the oven for preheating at 240 degrees for 15 minutes or 20 minutes.
Next step, we have to put the butter and you have to mix the butter and the sugar properly. We have powdered the sugar using a mixer, and I have put some sugar already in with the butter. Now we put the rest of it. And now I turn on. Make sure to keep it at a slow speed so that it doesn't go flying. And let it mix for 5 to 10 minutes. Until then, we can do the dry. Now the butter and sugar have mixed properly and it has come to a cream color, meaning it is fluffy. Now we add 1 egg after the other. Now we are adding the other 3 eggs, but a bit only of each. Okay, this is the last one, and after some time increase the speed. We'll put this straight into the oven. The cake is in the oven. I'm going to put a timer for 25 minutes. If it is settled, then you can take it out. If not, leave it for 5 more minutes.
Guys, so now we are going to remove the cake. I think it's good to take it now. So let's leave it for cooling down. We'll come after 5 minutes.
It has now been cooled down. We will just check it once again to just check. As you can see, there's no marks of the cake over here, meaning it is ready. We'll remove this after some time as the pan is really hot now also. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. My sister was the cameraman right now, but thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Share it with your friends, family, brother, sister, everybody. Thank you.